Many of the world's most colorful creatures reside in rainforests, and animals from tiny organisms to large wild cats find homes amongst the range of plant life. Each of the three largest rainforests, the American, the African, and the Asian, have different groups of animal and plant species. Each rainforest has many species of monkeys, all of which differ from the species of the other two rainforests. In addition, different areas of the same rainforest may have different species. Many kinds of trees that grow in the mountains of the Amazon rainforest do not grow in the lowlands of that same forest. Some of the unique plants that live in the areas of the rainforest include Bengal bamboo, Bougainvillea, curare, coconut tree, jambu, and tuolang. Some animals include the Bengal tiger, the chimp, the king cobra, the tuco toucan, the Wagler's pit viper, and the orangutan.
As you can see in the rainforest, it rains a lot. In fact, it rains almost 90 days a year. And because of this, the climate is very humid and the temperature never goes above 93 degrees Fahrenheit or below 66 degrees Fahrenheit.
Forests are found in the regions of South America, Southeast Asia, West Africa, and throughout the Pacific Islands. Rainforests cover about 2% of Earth's surface. They consist of a lot of tall evergreen trees and are dense with flora and fauna at the bottom. Due to humanity's expansion for land, rainforests have been slowly disappearing from the face of the earth. In 1 second, about 2.47 acres is taken away, which is equivalent to the size of 2 US football fields. In 1 year, about 78 million acres is lost, which is equivalent to the size of Poland. Rainforests are diverse environments with many different types of plants and animals. These plants and animals slowly disappear due to increased human activity. Because of rapid deforestation, more carbon dioxide is released into the environment because of the machines used to do so and the presence of less trees to absorb the CO2 to make oxygen. The surface of the rainforest has also become drier because of more exposure to winds and sunlight. Also, because the rainforest is home to many animals and plants, about 137 species are lost in 1 day. Currently, there are many events occurring in rainforests, such as the discovery of new species and deforestation. Because of deforestation in the Amazon rainforest has lost its ability to regulate the climate and the environment. The Amazon is able to channel moisture inland via aerial rivers and rain clouds that form over the forest. It is also able to provide a buffer for extreme weather patterns, such as tornadoes and hurricanes. Because of the disappearances of trees, its ability to do this has lessened, and dry seasons have been drier. Currently, there are many groups trying to protect rainforests, such as Rainforest Rescue, Rainforest Alliance, and World Wildlife Foundation. Rainforest Rescue's goal is to interfere with businesses trying to make profits off the rainforest. They do this by organizing protests and supporting activist groups that are located within the countries affected by these companies. Rainforest Alliance tries to get land expanding industries to slow down their rate of deforestation and eventually stop. They also educate people of all ages how important it is to conserve the rainforest. The World Wildlife Foundation has a central goal of protecting diversity in the tropical rainforest, so they place projects to stop deforestation and to conserve the wildlife.
The rainforest contains many species, some of which are endemic to rainforests, meaning that they are found nowhere else in the world. Examples of such species are different species of monkeys, lizards, frogs like the poison dart frogs, birds like macaws and toucans, gorillas, and chimpanzees. The rainforest also contains many invasive species like the tropical ash tree that is now found in Hawaii. The tropical ash tree is taller than native trees, which results in the native trees getting less sunlight and therefore dying. The tropical ash trees were introduced for wood. Some other reasons why invasive species are found in rainforests are because of illegal logging, urbanization, and climate change. These are the reasons that the invasive species of guava, wild ginger, and Canary Island fire trees are found in Madagascar. Many endangered species are also found in the rainforest, including the elegant frog, the mountain gorilla, the mahogany glider, the Orinoco crocodile, the Sumatran tiger, the Havan rhinoceros, the Indian elephant, the Indian wild dog. How can we help the rainforest and all of the beautiful animals that live there? We can help by paying poor countries to stop cutting down the rainforest and therefore saving the rainforest. We can stop buying rainforest products and instead look for forest-friendly products. We can donate to conservation groups like International Conservation Union, the Forest Trust, the Rainforest Alliance, Conservation International, and others. We can recycle and reduce the need for minerals that are used to make aluminum and that come from rainforests. Some governments are also helping to save the rainforests. The El Yunque National Forest in Puerto Rico is protected by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, which works to sustain health, diversity, and productivity. Brazil, the largest Amazon nation, is also helping to save the rainforest by making geographic changes, policies, and conservation measures. Unfortunately, some governments are also hurting the rainforest. For example, Indonesia has sponsored development projects in which they offer forest land to the impoverished, and transmigration schemes in which they move people from overcrowded places to the rainforest. They provide little assistance to these people, so they cut down the forest for their land. Governments are mostly unaware of the consequences to the rainforest and assume that resources are infinite, replenishable, or replaceable.